niya.
Number 17. Number 0. Pass to number 30. Nakakuha number 15. First personal foul, first team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Pass to number 0, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Side step. Wala. Shoutout kay Jumog.
Manikot. Bakit?
Second throw. Basket. Number 13, setting a play. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 17. Basket.
Manood ka lang yung kalaunin. Talaga nakakatuwa.
Number 0, setting a play. Pass to number 15. Number 0. Pull up. Wala.
Tapos tumalong na nito.
Number 0. Pinasag yung pani. Umikot. First throw. Basket.
Wala na, lamang niya.
Second throw.
Bang.
10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa yung number. Nakakuha ni Rasmus. Rasmus diretso side step. Pinasa ang number 21. Binalik. Tumira. Wala. Number 20. Pass to number 17. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Offensive rebound. Basket. Number 20. Rasmus. Drive ako setting up play. Pinasa kay number 0. 10 points. Number 30. Pass to number 20. Nakuha ni Rasmus. Nakuha niya. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Official score 6-4. Foul. First throw. Wala.
Ganun lang.
Second throw. Basket. Official score 7-4 in favor of Rasmus Omidon. Pass number 21. Number 50 drives. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 40. Number 21. Pass to number 29. Wala. Offensive rebound. Basket. Remaining time 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 20 drives. Wala. Pass to number 0. Easy 2 points. Advanced substitution. Number 0. Pass to number 14. Wala. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 20. Basket. Number 21 setting up play. Pass to number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 15 drives. Save ball. Number 14. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Nakakuha ni number 0. Number 0. Behind the back pass. Basket.
Kaso,
Eto na.
third yan eh.
Pass break play.
Yan, third sa ano. Ayun ang bigay.
Number 13. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 15.
Lagdag pa
15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Shoot drop. Wala. Na-rebound number 20. Pass to number 13. Drives. Pass to number 0. Basket. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Number 0 drives. Pass to number 15. Basket. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0 spin the move. 5 to shoot. Number 0 pass to number 35. Basket. Seconds to shoot. Number 17. Wala. Offensive rebound. Basket by number 20. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 0. Pass number 15. Teardrop. Basket. Number 13, second of play, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 13, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0, drives. Nakuha ni number 21, pass to number 77. Wala. Nakuha ni number 13, pass to number 0. Easy 2 points. Para kay number 20. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 1 minute and 20. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 0, pull up number. Wala. Number 13. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 15. Tira diretso. Basket. 45 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Wala. Number 35. Diretso. Pass number 0. Ball shot. Basket. Seconds. 15 seconds. Number 20. Wala. Nakuha ni number 35. 5 seconds. Na-steal ni number 13. Number 13. First team foul. Number 29. Pass number 18. Pass number 25. 10 seconds to shoot. Na-steal ni number 20. Number 77. Pass number 13. Na-steal ni number 35. Number 35, pass number 18. Wala. Offensive rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumira. Nakuha ni number 17 with the rebound. Number 17. Nakuha ni number 25. Number 29, pass number 25, Pumeke, Omigon, Tumira. Rebound by number 20. Number 20, pass number 30. Number 30, setting up play. Pass number 20. Number 20, Omigon, Tumira. Basket count. Number 29, setting up play. Pass to number 7. Drives. Bonus shot. Number 13, setting up play. Omigot. Pinasa ka number 17, Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 25. Number 35. Setting up play. Crossover moves. Pass to number 7. Number 13. Pass number 25. Dinalik. 15 seconds to shoot. Side step. Foul. Na-steal. Pinasa kay number 35. Number 35. Basket foul. Basket foul number 77. Bonus shot.
Stepin.
Basket. Number 30. Setting up play, pass number 20. Number 29, pass to number 18. Dinalik. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound din number 20. Number 20 drives. Basket. Number 25. Pass to number 25. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 18. Pinasa kaya. Number 17, dire-diretso, bumalik. Pass number 0, tumira. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 17. Na-steal number 25. Number 25, pinasa kay number 7. Pass to number 29. Pinalik. Pinasa kay number 35. Number 35, pull up. Wala. Na-rebound to number 30. Slow moves. Basket. Official score 25-23 in favor of Purok 5. 10 seconds to shoot.
Dito mo yun? Ha?
Na-rebound. Number 20. Dire-diretso. Nawala ang bola sa kamay. Number 29.
Malagi yan? Wala.
Pass number 18. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 17. Pass number 0. Dire-diretso. Nakakuha number 13. Pass number 18. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound. Number 35. Dire-diretso. Buwangga. Pass number 25. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 13. Pinasa kay number 0. Pinalik. Number 30. Pass na number 18. Na-steal ni Rasmus. Rasmus, dire-diretso. Pass number 77. Pass number 25. Foul. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Basket again. Official score 27-23 in favor of 5. Pinasa number 17. Basket. Number 21. Pass to number 14. Number 13 setting up play. 15 to shoot. Pinasa na number 20. Lumolobos. Pinasa number 18. Nakakuha ni number 77 with the rebound. Pass na number 28. Number 28. Pass na number 21. Tumira. Wala. Nakakuha ni Rasmus. 10 to shoot. Bumangga. Number 13, dire-diretso. Pass to number 0. Basket. Natrapi na tayo number 15. Huli ka. Rasmus, pinasa ka. Number 77, pumulap. Basket. Number 17, pass to number 13. Number 13 setting up play. Pinasa kay number 20. Number 20 drives. Foul. Foul number 21. Number 21. First personal foul for second row. Basket. Number 15, the rise. Number 0, second personal foul, penalty. Wala. Offensive rebound, titira. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13, direct-direct yung bumangga. Basket count! Basket count, foul number 23. Number 23. 28, first personal foul, penalty. Advanced substitution.
Tanga.
Number 0, ang pass number 14. Buwangga. Sugsok na istilan. Number 13. 1 minute 45 seconds. Number 20. Sumakay. Basket. Official score 32-29. 10 seconds to shoot, number 21. Offensive rebound, number 15, Pinasa. Nariwang dino, number 20. Pass to number 17, number 17. Wala. Nariwang ni number 0, Pinasa. Kuya Amer. Kuya Amer, naglag pa. Basket.
Takbong pogi ka.
55 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 17. Wala. Jump. Nakuha ni Rasmus with the rebound. Rasmus na out of balance. Ayun, nagkaagawa ng bola. Number 20. Wala. Nakuha nino. Number 77. Pass to number 0. Easy 2 points. Number 13. Pinasa ka number 17 na steal.
Number 4.
Wala. Number 0. 9 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds. Foul. 0.4 seconds remaining time. 3.4. Second throw. Wala. Tumira. 33 points para kay number 35. Unang panimula ng depensa. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Pinasa ka number 18. Bumawi. Rasmus Remabus. Pasa ka number 20. Easy 2 boys. Nice team na ulit. Ay kasi number 14 nagmamadali. Basket again. Official score, all 36. Sa short. Number 21. Pinasa number 0. Basket. Official score 38-36. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Naistilan ni Rasmus Rebamus. Kinaliwa. Yun lang. Nakakuha ni number 0 with the offensive rebound. Basket. Number 0. Diretso. Side step. Pass sa number 20. Number 20. Umikot. Tumira. Basket. Seconds to shoot. Number 21. Umikot. Nice team number 17. Pass free play. Yun. Pinagsak sa mga noon. Number 35. Pass number 77. Pass number 0. Easy 2 points. Official score 42-38 in favor of 5. Number 13 setting up play. Pass to number 18. Hesitation. Yun. Sala. Number 21. Pass to number 0. Basket. Huwag lang po, nawakan ng bola. Advance timeout. Terlapan tamat. Pinasa kay number 18 na steal ni number 35. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Nice steal. Pasa kay number 0. Easy 2 points. 6 minutes 25 seconds. Number 13, dire-diretso, umupo. Basket. Eto na. Nagkakabigayan ng depensa. Pinasa ka number 21, pinalik. Number 0, spin na move. Foul. Foul number 77. First personal foul, first team foul. Basket. Offensive rebound. Basket by number 20. Pinasa kay number 77. Number 77, pinasa kay number 14, Rasmus, pinasa kay number 0. And there's a foul. Number 15, wala. Na-rebound din number 17. Number 13, pass to number 0. Kumangga, binalik. Basket.
Diyan, score.
Warning number 13. Binigay number 15, number 15. Nakuha na ng bola. Number 15, umikot, bumangga. Foul. Binigay kay number 0. Personal foul. 13 foul. Binalik. Basket kay number 15. Official score 50-45. Number 13 pinasa kay number 20. Foul.
Wala na, panalo na 5. Ano quarter na ba? Third quarter. Talo yung 6.
Ito yung
Yeah.
Second throw. Wala. Number 15, dire-diretso. Foul. Foul number 0, fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Number 35. Na-rebound ni number 17. Pinasa sa kabilang court. Sila ibang bola. Number 12. Huli ka. Number 13. Pinaleg ko yung number 12. Pumege. Pumikot. Number 12. Tumira. Huli ulit. Rasmus. Pinasa kay number 15. Number 15.
Score 50-45 in favor of 5.
Advance timeout. Purong 5.
Peke ako dun.
15 to shoot. Number 17. Wala. Offensive rebound. Number 35 setting up play. Pinasa number 77. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 15. Full head. Number 25. Pumukol. Na-rebound ni Rasmus. Rasmus nakagat ng babasahan. Number 35. Dire-diretso. Foul. Foul number 12. Number 12. Second personal foul penalty. First throw. Basket.
Sinapak dito dito. Sinang Chris. Yung kapatid ng big boss na si Chris. Kapatid di kayo.
Second throw. Basket again.
Ano, masinger niya?
Sino sa pa?
Kapatid ni Kyle.
Official score 52-47. Lamang ang 52. Number 25. Dire-diretso. Tumigil. Pinasa number 12. Foul. Number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 17. Terang. Number 35. Pinasa kay number 15 to shoot. Foul.
Tama. Titira ko dyan ako. Titira dyan. Hindi pa.
Basket.
Ano isa pa na ito? Mapay tayo.
Basket again. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Number 17, pinasa kay number 25, pinasa kay number 13, 15 to shoot. Number 12, babawi. 3 points. Pinasa kay number 0. Number 0, pinasa kay Rasmus Ombikon. Basket, yun, with celebration. Number 17. Number 17. Dumiretso. Na-rebound ni number 35.
56-15 in favor of
Sino ka
5.
dapat?
25, 127. Number 15. Malaki number 77. Pumeke. Pinalig. Tumira. Offensive rebound by number 77. Pass to number 35. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 35. Pumulap. Rebound by number 20. 1 minute remaining time. Number 13. Diretso. Pinasa ka number 25. Number 0. Pass to number 15. Teardrop. Basket. 58-50. Lamang ang 58. 35 seconds, 15 to shoot. Number 13. Basket down. Basket down. Foul number 15. kay Rasmus. Nagantang pabasaan, pinasa kay number 0. Pinasa number 77. Number 77, 15 to shoot. Pinasa kay Rasmus, pumulap. Basket. Celebration. 10 seconds remaining time. Number 13, tumira. 3 seconds.
Ay, nagbugbog kay Martin.
Pinasa kay number 0. Number 0, laban kay number 0. 0 kay number 0. Umatake. Pinasa kay number 35. Basket. 62-53. 9 points lead. Number 30, nagpapasan. Pinasa kay number 17. Pinasa number 0. Pinasa kay number 20. Umikot. Official score 62-53. Number 0, 15 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay number 15, pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, sumuot. Nakatapikan. Number 13. Number 13. Setting up play. Pinasa kay number 0. Number 20. Basket. 55-62. 7 points lead. Purok 5. Rasmus. Pinasa ng 15 to number 35. Number 77. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 18. Basket. Rasmus to Marcus. Umikot. Gatang papasahan. Pinasa kay number 35. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15.
PJ number 35 yung guard.
Huli. Nakakuha number 77. Pumeke. Titrapas. Na-rebound na number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 17. Tigani number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 17. Tumira. Yun lang. Na-steal number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 0. Balik kay number 13. Pumeke. Number 14. Narumano na sa Tarahiling tayo. Mahitiban ng shoes. Nagasgasan ang kanyang Kobe. Number 20. Number 0. Umatake. Side step. Pass to number 17. Tumira. Huli. Pass to number 15. Diretso. Number 15. Pass to number 14. Basket. Si Kuya Amer nagwawala. Number 17, pass number 0. Pinasa kay number 20 with a low post. Number 20, fake pass, 10 seconds to shoot. 0, pinahuli. Number 15, pass to number 14. Eto na, Kuya Abner. Bumangga, umikot. Number 20, dribbling the ball, pass number 25, basket. 6 minutes and 15 seconds, 64-59 in favor of Purok 5. Number 77, pass to number 15, number 15. Wala. Na-rebound nila ni number 15, pass to number 14. Yun lang. Na-steal. Nakakuha ni number 77. Pinasa number 14. Rebound. Pinasa number 0. Pumulap. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 77. Nakakuha ni number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14, behind the back pass. Nawala ang bola sa kamay. Nagkakabuhan, itin na. Number 20. Number 13, setting up play. Pinasa number 25, pumeke, pinasa, pinalik, pinasa. 5 seconds to shoot, crossover to lines, basket! Official score 64-61 in favor of Purok 5. Ito na, number 15. Umikot pass number 77. Offensive rebound. Rasmus Remakus. Umatake, pinatake number 77. Wala. Offensive rebound. Basket by number 15. At number 18, third personal foul na po pala. Number 13, pass to number 25, pinalik. Number 13, diretso, pass to number 18.
Pag natira ang sa mga
Foul number 15. Number 15, third personal foul. Pinasa ka number 18, tumira. Airball. Save.
61,
Number 25, pinasa ka number 13. Umikot. Basket. Nakaka-request naman eh. Number 77, pinalik. Number 25, tumira. 3 points. 69-63, 6 points lead. Number 30, natumba. Nakakuha Nino. Ni number 0, and there's a foul. Penalty. First row. Wala. 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Na-rebound Nino ni number 21. Number 21, dire-diretso. Puminto. Pinasa kay number 35. Number 30, pass to number 18, tumira. And goal. Number 77, pass to number 21, pass to number 0, pinalik. Pass to number 77. Wala. Rebound by number 18, pass to number 13. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 30, pass to number 25, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 18. Number 18, binalik. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice team number 0. Number 0, pass to number 77. Wow!
Bikers yan eh.
First row.
Yan eh.
Basket.
Sabo.
Second throw. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 12. Pinasa kay number 25. Pinasa kay number 17. Number 17, diretso. Wala. Nakakuha ni Amer. Pass to number 35. Pass to number 77. Huli ka.
Andyan. Si Jan. Nagkaaway nga doon sa Sasuke. Yung kaibigan niya sinap.
Number 35. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 21. Pass to number 35. Nakakuha ni number 13. Diretso. Nawala ang bola sa kamay. Number 0 lumipad. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 20. Last 2 minutes remaining time. Number 25. Pass to number 13. Pumeke. Binigay number 12. Basket. Advance timeout, Purok 5. number 0. Huli ka. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Pinasa akin number 0.
Number 35 dyan dito, no?
Tumira, wala. At last si number 25. Nakuha nito ni number 13. Pass number 20. Ah! Basket. Babasa kabat ang kalamangan ng Purok 5.
Pagkakita niyan, dalawa na lang. Sana hindi masya.
Second row. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 21. Number 21, pull up number. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 21. Minute and wow. 11 seconds. 17-66 in favor of Purok 5. Wala. Remington 1 minute 11 seconds, 17-66 5. Basket. Number 15, Direto, tumigil. Pinasa ko number 0. Seconds to shoot. Number 0. Pumunta pa sa number 15. Wala. Rebound ni number 20. Pass number 17. 50 seconds. 70-68. Direto. Wow. Bas.
Dalawa na lang naman.
Second row. Wala. Rebound number 35. Nagkakabigayan ng depensa. Inbound play. Pass to number 25. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Fake pass to Ives. Offensive rebound. 7 seconds, 72-70 in favor of...
Lamang ng dalawa ang tropang tamad, lamang ng dalawa.
Pinasa kay number 0. Number 0, 10 seconds on the shot clock. The rise, pass to number 77. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 21, number 77.
Yes! Oh! Nice ka no! Depensa, depensa!
Lamang na lang
16 seconds, 16 seconds!
Ang Purok 5. Number 17, Direto, 10 seconds. Number 17.
Offensive foul! Offensive foul! Offensive foul! Woo! Offensive foul! Ref, technical yun ha! Sumugod yung kotsok, sumugod ang technical! Ref, technical!
$8.5
seconds, 8.5.
73-72.
Lamang ng isa kami. Hard-weight na ako, hard-weight.
73-72.
Nice kano! Ang sureball mo, kano! Nice bang kano!
9 seconds.
Isa pa.
74-72.
Ang!
Eto na.
Ito siya, ang!
Second throw. Wala.
Ay, traveling!
Pass to number 25.
Yes! Oh! Panalo kami!
Ball game.
Oh! Panalo kami!
Tuwa-tuwa si Kuya Abel.
Okay lang yan.
Panalo kami. Gandang laban lagi ng mga to. Kata panalo.